What could possibly be interesting about a trim screw? Well, to begin with, these fashionable fasteners are found all throughout the interior of a vehicle, from the sill plates to door panels, headliner trim, and dashboard. Even newer vehicles that utilize a wide variety of clips still retain the use of trim screws for many components. But they are not all created equal. Trim screws are designed to fit and work specifically with individual interior components and look good doing it. Some are zinc plated for a bright finish to blend in with chrome or aluminum trim. Some have a black phosphate or black oxide finish for a subtle look, and all are designed to resist exposure to the weather, since the interior of a vehicle sees just as many temperature and humidity swings as any part of the vehicle. The size and design of trim screws is what sets them apart, and when replacing them, only an exact match to the original will perform as it should. Flathead, oval head, countersunk. There are multiple different head designs, some with loose and some with fixed washers. Some have no washers, designed for a flush fit when installed. Thread size differs, the most common being number 6 and number 8, which are references to the diameter of the screw. The larger the number, the larger the diameter. Using too small a diameter won't provide grip. Using too large will damage the clip or sheet metal where the screw is installed. The length of trim screws differs as well, and while too long may not be a problem if it doesn't interfere with any other components, too short may make it difficult to install certain trim pieces. Whether it's a restoration, repair, or custom work, using the proper trim screw can mean the difference between good work and outstanding work. Most vehicles utilize multiple different trim screws depending on their location. So take the time to look through your screw assortment and identify the screw your customer is looking for. Not sure about the diameter? Use a set of calipers to compare the thread sizes. And for the best selection, ask your customer if they're interested in a trim screw assortment so they've got all the bases covered for every job that comes down the road. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.